y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. I'm Rachel. Today you're gonna watch us working on building a chicken coop, putting up fencing, netting, all that stuff. But before that, I've got to have David empty out my car. We got chicken food in here because we're gonna get some American breast chickens.
It's a chick starter.
Okay. Head toward the American. Said don't saturate.
Good morning. Welcome to Cooking on the Farm. We are getting ready to go on a road trip here to go pick up some brand new chickens. We figured we'd bring you guys along for the ride. In here we will have some snacks. Kind of a charcuterie board type of thing for us. Our trip will be about 3 hours long. Rachel will be the one driving. I'll be the passenger. We'll have the two boys and Nana in the back, so we're gonna have a full house. This is what we will be transporting our chickens in. They're the American breast chickens. On our way, we will have. I'm gonna set the kids up, our little farm boys, up with some material to learn about these chicks.
The legs are blue, and their body's white, and the coat is red. The American breast chickens are dual-purpose birds and good egg layers, and they're good for their meat.
I am Rachel, and today we actually went and picked up some American breast chickens. It's kind of a big thing on the internet right now. A lot of homesteaders are getting them. We have looked into getting them for a while and just couldn't find someone near us that had them. And David did a bunch of research and finally found someone. So we took a ferry, we went on an adventure, it was a beautiful drive, and picked up 4 females and 2 males. We haven't even let them out of the box yet. This has been a dog coop, a goat coop, duck coop, a greenhouse, and now a chicken coop. So, aren't they beautiful? They've got, well, they're gonna grow into a red comb. They're beautifully white, and then they have blue hue to their legs, some of them more than others. So I'm going to show them where the water and where the food is. So their space out here is going to be fully covered. You can see we've done a couple. There's one here, one down there. But we're going to leave them locked up for close to a week so that they know that that is their coop. And then they'll have this huge area here. They can climb up on the apple trees a little bit. It comes up a little way so they can get up in the trees a little bit. And then our garden that we're working on, we have cardboard out that we've been working on. We can cut pieces and throw them through here because these birds have never been fed anything that's not organic, and we're not going to plan on feeding them anything that's not organic. So then when we eat them, it'll be 100% organic, which is amazing. That's what we want for homesteading, for just our family.